Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to simplify this complex fraction. Step one is to identify the least common denominator. So first look at all your denominators. These are our two denominators. Well, the least common denominator, they're both 2. So the least common denominator is 2. Whatever this result is, we now multiply the top and bottom by that least common denominator. 2 over 2 in this case. 2 over 2 is 1, and 1 times any number is the same number. So we're not changing the value of this. It's going to look different, but the value is the same. So when I distribute, think of parentheses here. We distribute, we get root 3 over 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2 is 2. In the denominator, we get root 3 over 2 times 2 minus 1 times 2 is 2. Now we simplify these. These 2's cancel, and we get root 3 plus 2 over root 3 minus 2. Now most teachers are going to want the denominator rationalized. To rationalize this denominator, we multiply by the conjugate, root 3 plus 2. But again, just like over here, we can't just multiply by root 3 plus 2. We got to multiply by root 3 plus 2 over root 3 plus 2, because this is equivalent to 1. Anything over itself is 1, and 1 times any number is the same number. So now when we multiply this, again, if you want, think of parentheses in here, and we FOIL, yeah? Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Root 3 times 2 is 2 root 3. 2 times root 3, we get another 2 root 3. And 2 times 2 gives us 4. So that's the numerator. The denominator, we get root 3 times 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Because these are conjugates, the outside and inside terms are always going to add to 0. Here we get positive 2 root 3. Here we get negative 2 root 3, but they add up to 0, so there's no need writing them down. And then negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Now we simplify. We get 7. These 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 is 4 root 3 over negative 1. But remember, negative 1, division by negative 1, this is the same as negative 7 plus 4 root 3. And then you could distribute the 7 if you want to get minus 7 minus 4 root 3. Now it's kind of interesting, if you get out your calculator and type this in, minus 7 minus 4 times root 3, press enter, see what you get. Then type this into your calculator. This is a little harder, but if you could plug that into your calculator, you're going to get the exact same number as plugging that in. These are the same thing, yeah? That's just the simplified form of this.